Hey guys, today I'm unboxing the Studio Display.
It starts at $15.99, but with a nano-textured glass, it's $18.99. Okay guys, I have to be real honest. When I review things I like, it's usually easier to make content for. So I put more effort in recording cuts and content for it, but could not do it for this Studio Display. It didn't seem worth the money. So today I'm unboxing it and sharing why I had to return it. Impressions from hardware to software and use after a week. If this helps, support the channel by giving it a like and subscribe for more. Let's get started. If it's your first display, you might be happy with it, but I have a few lower-end displays and the 14-inch MacBook Pro with the XDR display on it to use as my editing screen.
Braided Thunderbolt cable. You get...
At first, the unboxing was a great and exciting experience, as expected, and the display pleasantly lighter than Apple's past displays from around 10 years ago. I can carry it with less worry. The back.
Oh, another cover. So it has some pull tabs here.
The design was beautiful at first sight, but I immediately compared the back design to the XDR display from 2019, which had the much cooler cheese grater design, making this look really basic.
3 USB-C and 1 Thunderbolt port here. There it is. I can tilt it against the light. You get that nano-texture display.
The enclosed A13 chip is nice and allows it to seamlessly work with Apple devices. But for now I can wait for the next XDR, and I also don't need another Siri mic since I have different kinds of Apple devices already. The chip also helps with the center stage, but the camera is so bad that I won't even be using it anyway, like it was really flat and pixelated. Even after the firmware update that activated everything. I/O in the back is really useful. Nano-textured glass is great, worth it for those who actually need it. The bad camera was one of my biggest issues for the price they were offering. Perhaps it was made for those who don't have a laptop with devices like a Mac Mini and Mac Studio. I already have a camera and a good mic on my 14-inch MacBook Pro.
Swivel stand. This doesn't come off, it's already connected. So you got this braided cable.
The speakers are great for a display. The mic on the display is good, but sounds quiet because it's positioned up top. You'd have to stand above it to sound good. The screen quality is bright at 600 nits, but it's not HDR. This makes me want the Apple XDR display from 2019. It's bigger, brighter, and better looking in my opinion. Perhaps it's a clever technique to draw people to the higher end product, which is usually done between two versions. That pretty much covers it. Definitely not keeping. A quick one so you have another opinion of it. Give this a like if it helps, and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.